Easy.
Justice now. That's the solution.
Options are still on the table. Of course, we believe that this is a political trial.
Truth and justice, that is the way.
What's it called?
Truth and justice will give us peace. Truth and justice will give us hope. Truth and justice, that is the way.
How are you, my dear?
Truth and justice, that is the way.
How are you?
Fellow Nigerians, what do you think? Truth and justice, that is the way. What do you say? Truth and justice, that is the way.
Because it's on a new term,
Truth and justice, that is the way. Truth and justice will give us peace. Truth and justice will give us hope. What do you think? Truth and justice, that is the way. What do you say? Truth and justice, that is the way. Yes, we're going to go where? Yes, we're going to make foundations. Yes, we're going to come down. Nigeria, truth and justice, that is the way. Truth and justice will give us
easy.
Truth and justice will give us hope.
For us to be one strong, united country, it must be built on the principles of justice, equity, and fairness. And that is why I are young and you are begging that the Constitution gives him power to discontinue any criminal prosecution. And that power is the power we want the President, Bola Ahmed Tinubu, through his Attorney General, to issue the knowledge to the Federal High Court and discontinue the ongoing trial and release our brother, Nnamdi, so that the path to peace and reconciliation can start.
Thank you, Mo.
So that note that we're still calling on him, that it is time, President Bola Ahmed Tinubu, it is time to open the gate and let Nnamdi go. The reason for him to release him, we open the door for genuine reconciliation and resolution of all the issues. And these issues are hinging on injustice and treatment that are not fair to Igbos. Because under the Constitution, he has the power through his Attorney General to issue knowledge.
Ojo si na kele mi.